Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Coastal Oak Ranch. Today we're getting this hot tub in this trailer and taking them both up the mountain. Stick around and we'll see you on the ranch. Alright, so this is where we're getting the spa from. Got Kenny back there pumping the water out of it already.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's good. We're good to get the water out of this thing and then try and get it on the trailer. Alright, so this thing still weighs a ton, so we gotta figure out how to open it up and drain the pipes, because I don't think just the two of us are gonna be able to flip it up on the dolly how it stands right now. So we're gonna get this thing opened up and figure out how to do that. I would guess probably just undo one of those pipes right there and let it go, huh?
I hear some gurgling.
Didn't let any water out. This is gonna be drained in.
Now that we went all the air pressure out.
Yeah. Let's see. So we got the water draining out of this thing. It's almost there. It's really heavy still, so we're gonna try and flip it up on its end. We'll see if we can do it. Once we get it on the side, we're gonna get the dollies and probably lift it up one corner at a time, see if we can get it on top of the dollies and then wheel it out to the truck. So at this point we had all the water out. We were gonna do a quick cleanup real quick, and then I lifted one corner at a time as Kenny slid the dollies underneath the spa, so we were able to wheel it out to the trailer.
I can jack it like up or...
We'll just tilt it up there. So at this point we were ready to get the spa up against the backside of the trailer, and then we used some wheel chocks to chock up the wheels on the dollies. That way when we tilted it back, the dollies didn't shoot out from under the spa on us, and we were able to get it up in there safely. All right, we got this thing loaded in the trailer. Let's get strapped down and we'll get up to the ranch. No, that ain't going anywhere. All right, Kenny's just about to pull up with the hot tub. Let's get this thing unloaded. got it off the trailer. It's in its temporary home. We're gonna get it filled up and heated up so we can enjoy it in the meantime. Now we are gonna have a video series showing how we're gonna set up the patio where this thing's gonna permanently live. So be sure to click the subscribe button so you can follow along for that. We'll see you next time on the ranch.